This is my small Zippo flip top lighter collection. Not all of them are Zippos. Most of them are flip tops. This one is a Zippo. This one I got at a farmer's market in Hemet. And it's actually like a 1956 l.d.l, old company, very old, with a Kent cigarette logo on the front. It's not a Zippo. Could be worth a lot of money though, I'm not sure. This one, people see that I collect lighters and they get me these cheap ass $5 flip top lighters. I used the insert for that Indian one inside of this one. Chargers. This one, Elvis. That one's a Zippo. And I've got another Indian one. And this, not very expensive, but it's a bottle opener. So I kept it. Stole it from my brother. Thanks for watching.